So, personally, in my life, I had to deal with hell. And one of them is uh, a dodo bird. Let's just call it that. It is a dodo bird. It's the same thing over and over and over again. A retarded parakeet dodo bird. Just can't ever say anything. And when I get Social Security, you I got your phone. You want to help you out? You need help? You need some income? You get your Social Security. I mean, you Social Security. And when you get Social Security, I want to help you out. Now, what is real reality here? Well, idiotic, retarded parakeet, dodo bird. Hey, guess what? Why would I need Social Security? Money? Ah, money. There you go. Now, who did you give a hell of a lot of money to? I think my dad's mom and a daughter took $75,000 from your credit card. How can somebody spend $75,000? But dodo bird, this is what came out of the mom. They spent $75,000. So my dad lies, but I don't think he lied about that. Wow, and that's just one incident. So this was before Arthur Hess the third died. Yes, it was before 2015. Gave a mom and her daughter $75,000. Wow. So, Mr. Dodo Bird, guess what? I would know what to do with that money. Okay. Certainly, the idiot that you helped out, supposedly, and yourself, because yourself, you're really far gone, no idea what you're doing, puts you in the super crazy level, you're just going to give any stranger $75,000? Well, that's okay. That's all right. I can't report her because, I go to her Satan worship church. I can't report her. I just can't. No matter what the reasons are, okay, no matter what they are, I would have to say that Dodo Bird doesn't know what the hell's going on. And I'm sick of Dodo Bird asking me to say, I just, do you get your Social Security? Do you get your Social Security? You get your Social Security? Do you know? Does Dodo know the whole story? Yes, he does. Did he listen to the story? No, he didn't. No, he never ever listens to a word I say. Just like, hey, listen to your pastor. Report the car stolen. Not only did she steal $75,000 way back when, way back in 2014. Well, now it's two cars. Oh my God! Now maybe $200,000 paying for $2,000 rent, and all our tickets that range up to $300 to $500. That kind of makes sense. My question to Insane Dodo Bird is, can you admit that you have no idea what's going on and what the hell you're doing? And you are crazy. And just that instance alone, causing yourself. He caused himself that much misery for 10 years. Over 10 years. Total insane hell. Check this one out. I'm done with her. I am. I'm at the mission. I'm done. I'm done. Okay. Now. So funny. I had to pay $4,000 because she was in a car accident. It wasn't her. It was her boyfriend. It wasn't her. No, wait a minute, Dodo Bird. Check it out. It's her car. It's her fault for giving it to whoever it is, her boyfriend or the alien or Saddam Hussein. Dead Saddam Hussein. Whoever. Who cares? It's still her fault. No, I'm a dodo bird. I'm a retarded idiot. Retarded parakeet idiot. Retarded dodo bird. No, can't report her. No. This is just so annoying. Dodo bird, you bought her not one, but two brand new cars? Yeah, she has a mother with 2 kids. She needed it. She had to be a child molester. And I like her kids. Yeah. Oh, God, you sick. You sick freak. Fucking. But, hey. You know what? Those kids didn't deserve that. Just because Savannah doesn't care. Oh, shit. Is that her name? Hey, I didn't say that. But who cares? You're not supposed to watch till the end of the video anyway. Sick. Just totally sick. Sick. But no, a mom who doesn't care that her kids are child molested. And then, a thief. Stealing all that money. Who cares if I said her name? I didn't say her last name. Who cares? Nobody knows what she looks like anyway. Some fucking fat hog. Gave it all the money. Yeah, like, God. Can you be any more retarded, Dodo Bird? Like, really?